English Anyone, Lesson 18, Directions, Location, and Movement.
Hello there, I'm Drew. What's your name? Today I'm excellent. Today I'm eating Chinese food. I can wash my eye. Listen and watch.
Basic directions. Backward, I'm walking backward. Forward, I'm walking forward. Right, I'm stepping to the right. Left, I'm stepping to the left. Toward, I'm walking toward the camera. Away from, I'm walking away from the camera. Describing location. I'm in Nagasaki. Their feet are in the water. I'm on a boat. I'm on a train. The seahorses are on the plant. They're running in Kyoto on the street. I'm eating at a sushi restaurant in Nagasaki. I'm at an aquarium in Osaka. I'm sitting by a cat. A dog is walking by the river. Prepositions of movement. I'm walking between the swings. I'm jumping on a swing. I'm jumping off the swing. I'm jumping over the bar. I'm going under the bar. They're walking over the bars. I'm walking around the tree. I'm walking into the tree. I'm jumping up on the rail. I'm walking along the rail. I'm getting off the rail. I'm going up the slide. I'm going down the slide. I'm going around the slide. I'm going through the tunnel. I'm walking past my bike. I'm going into the bathroom. Did I go into the bathroom? Yes, I did. I'm coming out of the bathroom. The straw's going into the glass. Steam's coming out of the tea kettle. I'm riding along a path by a river. I'm riding on a street. I'm riding in the street. I'm turning left. I'm riding straight. I'm turning right. I'm on a bench under a shelter. I'm going from the bench to a rock bridge. I'm going across the rock bridge. A bus is going across the bridge. I'm tossing a rock into a river. I'm tossing a rock at a tree. A duck is floating on the water. Water is flowing down the river. Listen and watch. Today, we're watching judo and archery competitions in Kyoto. We're at a judo competition. Here, a boy throws a girl down onto the floor. The boy is holding the girl down. Now, the children are getting up from the floor. The girl's tucking her shirt into her pants. The children are walking around on the mats. Now, the girl flips the boy over, and the children are grappling on the mats. The children are competing in a big, noisy gym. Now, we're at an archery competition. Here, a man is drawing his bow. He's aiming his arrow at his target. He shoots his arrow at the target. Is the heron by the water or in the water? The heron is in the water. It's not by the water. Are they going across the bridge or around the bridge? They're going across the bridge. They're not going around the bridge. Yesterday, we were watching judo and archery competitions in Kyoto. We were at a judo competition. There, a boy threw a girl down onto the floor. The boy was holding the girl down. Then the children got up from the floor. The girl tucked her shirt into her pants. The children were walking around on the mats. Then the girl flipped the boy over, and the children were grappling on the mats. The children were competing in a big, noisy gym. Then we were at an archery competition. There, a man was drawing his bow. He was aiming his arrow at his target. He shot his arrow at the target. Was I at a park or under a park? I was at a park. Did I throw a rock at a tree or into a tree? I threw a rock at a tree.
Goodbye.
To learn more about our monthly Master English Conversation audio and video lessons, and to get fluent in English faster with our free newsletter and email video course for students, visit us at EnglishAnyone.com.